Here. Welcome to all on Sethi. In today's session 2 of case-based study questions, application plus 2 math CBSE board. Right? Now, in this case, I am going to discuss these topics. Question 1. Read the following passage and answer the questions below. Temperature of person during a essential illness is given by this one. This is the expression, fx. And this is the interval. This interval is closed interval 0 to 12. Where fx is temperature at Fahrenheit at x days. Is the function differential in the opponent? Justify your answer. If 6 is the greater form, then find the value of the constant and find the interval in which the function is strictly increasing, decreasing. Let's start the question. Function is fx equal to minus 0.1 x square plus mx plus 98.6. I think this is the correct one. Yes. First question requirement is it differentiable in the interval as the given function is polynomial of degree 2 and polynomial is differentiable over R real values. Therefore, it is differentiable in given interval. Alright, second part is if 6 is the critical point, find the value of m. You know, for critical points, we put f dash equal to 0, right? Then, differentiating the given equation, this equation A, differentiating A with respect to x. This will become f dash x equal to minus 0.2x plus 1.2. 1.x plus mx plus m. We know. So for f dash equal to 0, then 0.2x minus plus m equal to 0, m equal to 0.2x. As critical point is 6, therefore value of m is 0.2 into 6, that is 1.2. What was the requirement? If m is, find the value of m. Then value of m is 1.2. Second part is over. Third part. Now substituting the values, fx comes out to be minus 0.1 x square plus 1.2 x plus, this will come out to be 98.6. Now, what is the requirement? To find the intervals in which it is decreasing and increasing. Third part is interval in which function is increasing and decreasing. For that, f dash x equal to minus 0.2x plus 1.2. Critical point is point x equal to 6. Now, to find the increasing, decreasing, this is 6. we have to take this value, we have to take this value, right? We have to take this value. This is the f dash x. Now, f dash 5. f dash 5 is moving this side. f dash 5 में क्या है? Interval is given to 0 to 12, right? 0 to 12. f dash 5 put किया minus 0.2 into 5 plus 1.5, that is 1.0 negative plus 1.2, so that is greater than 0, that is greater than 0. So in this interval it is increasing. Then take f dash 7, in this case we take here 7 ले लिया, इधर 5 ले लिया in this interval. f dash 7, that comes out to minus 0.2 into 7 plus 1.2 minus 1.4 plus 1.2, that is less than 0, decreasing. So intervals are, in this interval, increasing, and this interval in decreasing. These are the answers. Now, second part is also there in this question. Second part is also in this question. Second part में क्या है? Find the points of local maximum and minimum. If the interval is 0 to 12 as well as absolute maximum minimum, the interval is. Find the corresponding local maximum. I will completely discuss the procedure in this case. Procedure is for absolute maximum minimum. For absolute, here is 0 is given, 12 is given, and critical point is 6. Then you have to find the value of f0, f12 and f6, out of which is maximum, that is the absolute maximum, which is minimum, that is the absolute minimum, right? No testing is required by the first second derivative test or second derivative test. Now, in this case, see it. No checking is required. Find the critical point, means the interval, put the value of critical point in the given function, put the interval value, extreme value in the given point, out of maximum value is the absolute maximum, out of minimum value is the absolute minima, right? Now, next question. Question is, read the following passage and answer the questions given below. In an elliptical sport field, the authority wants to design a rectangular square with the maximum possible area. The sport field is given by the graph x square plus y square by a. What is your requirement? This is, if the length and breadth of the rectangle are 2x and 2y, find the area of the function in terms of x. Find the critical points of the function. First derivative test and second derivative test, right? Let's start the question. According to question, area will be equal to 2x into 2y. Area equal to 2x, that is 4x, y. Area is to, this is equation 1. This is to be maximized, minimized. But before maximize, minimize, and there should be one variable. This is to be eliminated from using the condition x square plus y square over b square equal to 1. Eliminating y. So, y square over b square equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. So, y comes out to be b by a under root a square minus x square, right? Now, area will be now 4x y b by a under root a square minus x square. So, this equation a is here to equation 2, right? Now, differentiating, because this is to be maximized, we have to differentiate it. But before differentiation, be careful, there should be single variable. Here is single variable is x. Differentiating 2 with respect to x, dA by dx. dA by dx equal to 4b by a, product formula 1 into under root a square minus x square plus 1 by 2 root a square minus x square into minus 2x into x, right? 4b by a. On simplification, this 2 goes a square minus x square minus 2x square. A square minus x square minus 2x square, 4x b by a. 4x b by a. This 2 goes, so this will be minus 1x, right? Under root a square minus x square. Now, for critical points dA by dx equal to 0. So dA by dx equal to 0 means a square minus 2x square equal to 0. X equal to a by root 2, that is 0.7a. This is critical point, right? Now, what is our requirement? Find the area in terms of x. This is the answer. In terms of x, area will be, this is the area answer of first part. This is the answer of first part, right? Next, find the critical point of the function. Critical point of the function, this is the answer of second. This is the critical point, right? Third part. Use first derivative test to find this in terms of area. I will explain here. First derivative test. F dash x naught plus f dash x naught minus greater than 0, less than 0, local minima at x not equal to a. Here x not equal to 0.7a. If f dash x naught plus and f dash x naught minus less than 0, greater than 0, then maxima at this, right? To simplify it, put in the values, solve the answer. And first derivative test, this is the first, second derivative test, f double dash x naught greater than 0, less than 0, maxima, greater than 0, minimum. Now simple calculation part is pending on it, right? I have discussed the complete calculations. Now what is the requirement in this case? Find the maximum area. Maximum area will be A will be equal to B by A, 4B by A under root A square minus x square. इसे put कर दीजिए, we will get the maximum area. Length will be equal to root 2A, breadth will be equal to root 2A, right? And area will be equal to this into this, right? Next question. Case-based study. Read the following passage, answer the question below. There are two anti-aircraft guns named A and B. The probability that the shell fired from them hits an airplane 0.3 and 0.2. Both of them fired one shell at the same time. What is the probability that 0.3 and 0.2? A, B. P1. This is Q1. This is PA. PA लिख लो Q 0.3. तो complementary क्या होगा? Q1 will be equal to 0.7. P2 दो probability दी है ना मैं. P2 that will be 0.3, 0.2. P2 0.2. So Q2 will be 0.8. This is probability of success and this is the probability of failure. You know P plus Q equal to 1, or you can say PA plus PA bar equal to 1. What is the probability that the shell fired from exactly one of them hit the plane? Means we have to find PA bar B plus PAB bar. That is 0.2 into 0.7 plus 0.3 into 0.4. This comes out to be R. On simplification, we get 7 by, on simplification, 14 by 38. That is 7 by 19. Right? Second answer. If it is known that shell fired from exactly one of them hit the plane, then what is the probability that it was from B? In this case, Bayes' theorem will be applicable. Bayes' theorem will be applicable. How? हमें क्या चाहिए? When it was fired from B. B means this is P2. Point P2 Q1. P2 Q1 plus P1 Q2. Simplify the answers. In this case, P2 is 0.8. 0.8. P2 is 0.8. Q1 is 0.7. P2 is 0.2. P2 is 0.2. 0.2 into 0.7 cross 0.2 into 0.7 plus 0.3 into 0.8. On simplification, we get the answer, right? Simplify it. This is the application of Bayes' theorem. Means I will repeat it again. This is the case of probability. Probability. What is the probability that shall fire exactly one of them? Either A will hit or either B will hit. If A hits, B should be the complement. If B hit, A should be the complement. Independent. If it is known that the fire actually one of them hit the plane, then what is the probability that they will hide from B? B is the success. Success B ने hit किया तो Q failure, A failure होना चाहिए. Divide by the same plus A ने hit किया, B failure होना चाहिए. This is the Bayes theorem, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please subscribe the Sethi Swift Learn for upcoming concept killing videos through illustration. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.